Jai Baba Barhani, and finally I reached to the Bhagwati Nagar base camp. And after coming here, I am going to Avesam, and this is my RFID card with the number which I received from the here. And now I will purchase the bus ticket from here to go to the Amarnath Yatra from the here. So many tourist pilgrims and devotees have come here to seek the place of Baba Barhani Sri Amarnath Holy Cave and Shrine. So I am ready to leave from the here. So first I am going to show in details about the Bhagwati Nagar base camp in Jammu. Jai Baba Barhani. Thank you so much.
So already I explained about the Bhagwati Nagar base camp Piyati Niwas, which is located here in Jammu, just close to the Tavi river, which is flowing from the Jammu city in Jammu and Kashmir. So it is a very wonderful place. Many facilities are available for the every pilgrims and yatri who all are coming across our country to go and join for Amarnath journey and yatra from here. This is the first base camp, and many pilgrims has come here from each corners of our country in India. And so this is the ticket counter here in Bhagwati Nagar base camp, where we can purchase our ticket for the Baltal side or Pahalgam side for Amarnath Yatra, and the ticket price is 450 rupees from the Pahalgam side and 685 rupees from the Baltal side for Amarnath Yatra, because these places are so far. Even so many people are saying that the Pahalgam way is very good and very safe, but I feel like because 2 years I visited to the Pahalgam, not Pahalgam, 2 years completely I came here and visited to the Amarnath Holy Cave, but the both 2 years I visited from the Baltal side. So according to me, Baltal is also good. So this is the postal of our Sri Honorable Prime Minister of India Sri Narendra Modi, and the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir Umar Abdullah, and the Governor General of Jammu and Kashmir Manoj Sinha. So many pilgrims are waiting here under the trees, and many good facilities and very sustainable places are available inside the Bhagwati Nagar base camp. How it is the neat and clean, we can see every facility is available here, such like the small things that where we can purchase our bags, also some pants, clothes, trousers, and many things from the here. So this is the way to go to Langar Hall. There are 2 Langar Hall available in Bhagwati Nagar base camp Piyati Niwas in Jammu for pilgrims of Amarnath. So I'm going to show one by one. So I came here. So this is the one Langar Hall, which is running from the Sri Shiv Shakti Vaishno Seva Mandal from Delhi, and the second one is from the Vishwa Hindu Parishad and Bajrang Dal. They are also running the langar and providing bhandara to every Amarnath devotees and pilgrims who all are going to join the yatra from here. Even outside from the Bhagwati Nagar base camp, many places like in temple and somewhere I have seen many people are serving the langar here in Jammu. So every year the Amarnath Yatra point is starting from here only, and nobody is allowed in this Bhagwati Nagar base camp without registration for Amarnath Yatra. Any pilgrims who had registered for Amarnath Yatra, they are allowed inside the Bhagwati Nagar base camp on the exact date according to registration. And before entering into the Bhagwati Nagar base camp, we have to take the RFID card from the railway station Jammu Tawi, or here we can also get the RFID card and register from here. So many pilgrims are still taking their rest here in Bhagwati Nagar base camp, and this is the way of the ticket counter. Already I explained about that. And the one thing about that, if anybody will come from another state, then their prepaid SIM will not work here in Jammu and Kashmir region, so they have to purchase the new SIM from the here, that is called as a Yatri SIM in Jio, Airtel or VI, and then otherwise anybody who has come here in Bhagwati Nagar base camp, so they have to convert their SIM from prepaid to postpaid. Only postpaid SIM is working here. And this is the one tent and camp made here for the pilgrims, where many devotees pilgrims are taking their rest and laying here on the ground. So very good facility available for the every pilgrims and devotee. हर हर महादेव, जय बाबा बर्फानी, जय श्री अमरनाथ. And this is similar to the auditorium hall, where many devotees are also taking their rest, and some program is also going here sometimes in this place, which is just adjacent to the tent. So every day, every morning at 3 a.m. Amarnath Yatra is starting from here. So tomorrow morning at 3 a.m. I will start my journey from here and join the Amarnath Yatra from Baltal side.
तो आप लोग अमरनाथ यात्रा आए हो?
हाँ।
ये आप लोग का फर्स्ट टाइम है या इसके पहले भी आ चुके हो?
जय बाबा बर्फानी।
जय बाबा बर्फानी।
So this is the time of the dinner, so I am going to take my dinner from this langar hall. So this is the view. Many pilgrims are still taking their dinner inside the langar hall from here in Bhagwati Nagar base camp. So I am also going to have my dinner from this langar hall. And this is the night view of the Yatri Niwas. In night also is looking so awesome and unique here. जय श्री बाबा बर्फानी, जय श्री अमरनाथ, जय माँ वैष्णो, जय माता दी, हर हर महादेव. ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृताम्. ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय. Om Namah Parvati Pate Namah. Har Har Mahadev. So there are some performers who all are performing the classical and folk religious dance of Lord Shiva here in Bhagwati Nagar base camp during evening time. So जटा टवी गल जल प्रवाह पवित्र स्थले गले विलंब लंबिता भुजंग तुंग मालिकाम दमक 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 दमा निनाद वर्डमर वयम चकार चंद तांडुवम तनु तुन शिव शिवम जटाकटाह संभ्रमं भ्रम नीलिपिनी झरी बिलोल विचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धदग्रद गज ललाट पद पावके किशोर चंद शेखरे रति प्रतिक्षणम मम. ओम जयंती मंगलाकारी भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा सीमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा सदा नमस्तुते. कर्पूर गौरम करुणावतारम संसार रूपम भुजगेंद्रहारम सदा तसन्नम हृदय बिंदे भवम भवानी सहितम नमामि. नागेंद्रहाराय विलोचनाय भस्माराय महेश्वराय नित्याय सुधाय दिगंबराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय. ओम नमः श्री पार्वती पते नमः. ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण.